Yes.
Okay.
You don't see my face.
All right. No. All right, guys. What's up? So I'm trying to let you know what we're doing today. Oh, Papa. Oh, never mind. I'll plug it in. It's over here somewhere. Anyway, so what we're doing is we're downsizing this wig because apparently I have a really, really super, super tiny, tiny head. So I am customizing this lace front so that it fits me to the T. Oh, Papa, your bald hair so smooth. Fresh to death. But this is my birthday hair, so let's get this party started. All right, so now I put the wig on backwards and I'm holding it down. We've pinned it in little places and that's what we're doing. I'll show you the finished pin look, but it's not really going to get a good angle, so we'll be back. All right, guys, so right now I've taken off my, ouch, poking myself with these needles, but you see now we've done the fold over of what we're going to cut off and sew up so that it's nice and snug to my head. Can you guys, oh, there you go, yeah. See, pin up, we're gonna cut that off because my head is small. So I'm gonna try it on, and I'm scared because these pins and needles in here, but you know, for the love of the wig, right? Yes. Careful. How it feels. Let me see.
You want me to tell her that we're not gonna make it?
Yeah, tell her I'm videotaping and stuff. I apologize. All right. That feels really good.
No, not at all.
That feels really good. Really good, Mom.
With our daughter right now.
Smooth. Very smooth. It's perfect.
We're gonna try to, Sandy.
So you said, right, so this is the seam, right? Oh, can we see? Hold on. Oh, here we go. There's the seam that we have to follow. That's how much I need to take off. So straight down, Mom, right? You said, what'd you say after that? I should bring my sewing machine out. I said, you damn right. Here we go. Another adventure. Wig. Yes, we're about to do this perfect. All right, guys. We'll be back. Raggedy sewing machine. This is my grandmother's sewing machine. Ain't nothing raggedy about it. Don't talk about this sewing machine. This sewing machine got history. You know how much stuff she made? She made my Easter egg costume with this sewing machine. Shout out to Big Pearl. My big. I love her. I miss her.
She'd be so mad at me because I have totally destroyed this sewing machine.
Mom, you have not destroyed anything. You've done the best you could.
Now it's been sold.
All right, guys. We forgot to record it being sewed, but it's been sewed, and you see that those are the little flaps. I'm gonna cut those off once I get this on, but we're gonna take the needles out, and I'm gonna try this baby on. Show me what you're working with. Ouch! Damn it!
Careful.
Fuck! Woo!
It's all about being a seamstress.
I need a damn thimble. The hell?
Picked up right where they left off. They're engaged to be married, but Jennifer feels Bradley is cheating. Audience,
All right.
it's time to tell the truth.
Oh,
Do you
they
think
can't see that.
Bradley
That's
is
just a
cheating
bad
on
angle.
Jennifer?
Here,
Press
let's see.
yes or no on your tablets. America, you can vote at home too. Just go to our website.
I'm gonna pull it up.
to let us know what you think.
How do we feel?
It's tighter, but still loose.
We need to go in a little bit further.
I think we need to come across. Hold on. Come on,
56% of
dude.
you said no. Bradley isn't cheating on Jennifer.
Okay, this is the next. Oh, and we can show this one.
Jennifer and Bradley to come to the
Yeah, Mom, that feels really, really good.
You
But
didn't hook it either. So.
I know, but now, remember, I want this taken up. So I want to do a seam across the bottom.
Okay.
Well, he took a light to
But we got to put it on backwards to see. Here we go again.
Could
All right, guys, and here's some sewing machine footage.
Sorry about that.
Ah,
What happened?
the needle went to.
Needle.
The
The
needle
went through?
No, it came unthreaded.
Oh.
Aw.
What's that? You right.
Oh,
You
okay.
good. You good. You good. That's my freaking finish.
Don't get your fingers, Mom.
Like your fingers, Niecy.
Great. This is coming out so great. I'm super geek, dude. And then back on up. All right.
All right.
We're about to try it on again.
Try it on.
Okay, now we're sewing it. It's still a little bit too big. That's how small my head is. So, yeah, and yeah, perfect. So, sewing just a little bit more across the nape. A lot of this too is we have to making it smaller because of I want my hairline in the back to be exposed. Put that where it goes, Mom, please. All right, guys, that was so easy with the sewing machine. I love it. Like, I can't wait to take my lace off. I'm gonna move my combs because I don't really like them in the front of my, but this looks really good.